So guys, so we are here with our boss, and he is going to give us a tour of this beautiful estate built by him. Also onye ije ka ọ bụ ọ na-ejezi na-arụ arụ na-enyekwa ụlọ. So I'm happy you could call line, but just tell us more about this.
The creative.
I can hear you.
Welcome to Sapphire Gardens. My name is Mazi Fayimosu Onije. Lekki Lagos, the celebrity media man.
This is one of the most beautiful estates around this corridor, Lekki Aja corridor. There is no light in this particular building. I'm holding the keys now because the people who own the property they are not yet here.
Okay.
Because according to the rules of the estate, once they come, they will be connected. The meter is there. Okay, the meter is there already. Everything is intact.
Okay.
So then we'll see anyway. Okay. Wow. Look at the door. Yeah. It's like you don't even manage anything here. No. This is wooden door, but is very quality. Wow. So the light. This is the sitting room. But if you go to Korea, man, the design will go top notch. Wow, clean. So this is kitchen. Nicely equipped. Everything I do. Like this. So from Antako to real estate management or how will I even describe it? You now sell dude now from Antako. Okay, we're going up here. Yeah. So how many rooms is here now? 4. Wow. Now, well. But don't you care how to hustle more? Yeah. Look at this house now. Look at it. So this is a room, eh? Yeah. And you see, if you run your day, you can't run if you film because if I'm not far, if I'm not for or if you film.
That's not AI.
Yeah, today now I'm here live and direct. Okay, don't you follow, if it's not a money, than outside because in the video I don't show them. Oh, for use Zoom car. Yeah. So, Chairman, so go back for more. What do you car? The question is that. I'm not going to now. What money?
For shoes.
Yes. Oh, Ghana. From okay, toilet. So, very big. Wow. Nke abụrụzi ụlọ onye ikwubune otu gị bidoro rụma bụrụ na nka ka this is massive, man. You see, so in a chọ ma nke ị na-arụ nke na-eme advert etu akọwa na-adịkwa the same quality a o nwere balcony itself every so all wow. There's something I observe here. So every house is like connected to the road.
Yes. Everybody is facing the road. And like I said, that tank you're saying is the central tank that supplies us water here in the estate.
So this tank now supply all the estates water.
The houses.
And there's no day you come now that will not have water.
Once you open your tap, you have water because they are people connected now all the land.
So that this is European standard.
European standard, of course. Likewise, sewage. Nothing like sewage or whatever. Nothing like that. You can see, nothing like that. Our central sewage is there. Once you flush your toilet, it goes down to that side. Anywhere you are in this estate.
Okay, this is not like you have a pit.
No.
In your house.
No. Nobody has.
But the design of this estate is massive, man. So anybody will ever. So so this person who ever know was man. Yeah, you can go from this side. Everywhere the clean. This empty lands boom. O nwere ike enwe ya na-akwadoro ya ọnọdụ. Ife a. Ọsụkwa gị bịa gorukwa wee developụ. Estate developer ka ewu. So the house is very big. So nke ahụ abụ. So it's a 3 rooms and 1. Okay, 3 rooms in one. So the parlor na never ka ọ dị. Yanka, yes. Okay. Wow. Very neat. Everything out of white. Wardrobe. Pink, everything the complete. So this is the 3rd room. The 3rd room. Like a White House. So from Onija. And the Okita Monkey there. Because after the kid post to one more. Next state here. You are building this estate in Lagos and you are promoting Igbo language. You are, in short, when we talk of Akorolo promoter, you are like number 1. So why are you not building this here?
I'm a businessman.
Okay.
So many Igbo are in Germany doing businesses.
Yes.
So many are in Austria. So many are in China. Many are in Lagos.
Okay.
Just like myself. This is my business.
So we can go this way.
This is my business, and I still have something down home.
Okay.
Like currently, I have another company in Asaba.
Estate.
Yeah, Legend Luxury Resources Limited. We are currently selling.
Okay.
Though we don't advertise anymore because we sold what we wanted
to sell.
I will come back again to our clients. I will hire people because then we plans I want to do the roads and a lot of things we want to do there. You understand? So coming back to the question, I am one of the promoters of Igbo language and culture, Akuluno.
Yes.
And I still stand on that as Onyenewi because every Onyenewi believes so much in Akuluno.
Okay.
That's why our place is as it is.
Yes, it's true. Yeah.
America, like at least ngwere si n'elu ọjị daa kwee n'isisi onye tohi oto onwe bụ onye Nnewi na-eto onwe. I am proud of our place. So what I'm trying to say now, I still promote Akuluno.
Okay.
At the same time, do my business.
Okay, this is business.
This is my business.
So it has nothing to do with like Akuluno promote.
No, because people in Aspanda, people in Alaba, people in Ladipo, my people all over the world doing their businesses. The same thing they are doing there is what I'm doing here.
Okay.
I build, this is my counter.
Yes.
The way they have their counters in Alaba and have in Aba.
Yeah.
Anybody that comes, they sell the products to. Okay. These ones I built here. Anybody that comes, I sell. You understand? So it doesn't stop the promotion of Akuluno. Onye Hausa bịa nlesi.
Okay.
Onye Yoruba bịa nlesi. The last one I sold here. Onye Yoruba Gorumia.
In the river.
And so many other places.
So, but do you have plan of developing some estate in our
South? That's one I told you about. That's of Asaba. We will start.
Okay.
We are just trying to put 1 or 2 together.
So the reason why I ask this question for people that will ask, why Lagos? Why Lagos?
The people asking that question should also understand that doing business in Lagos, you can't be doing it and be living in the bush.
It's true.
You understand?
Yes.
It's a choice. You can decide to sell the property tomorrow after it was appreciated and move to another place.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Like when I built this one, this was sold for 80 million.
80?
Yes.
This one?
Yes. It was sold for 80 million. The other one was sold for 160 million.
Serious?
Within space of a year and some months.
Everything has changed.
Changed. Double. You understand? So it's business.
Yeah.
This man that bought this one for 80, he decides to cash out 160 million today.
But nobody is even living there.
People are living there. People are living there.
Okay, it's true.
It's a very quiet place.
More than quiet. Clean and
people are living here.
Okay, even here.
People are living there.
So if I bought if only Jenny men and cake bazwa. If you go on Lagos, a potro only if you go no, a potro only. Of course, also cover events. Yeah? So and this state is very well organized. Just look at the environment. Show them. Case we shape. Oh, yeah. Chicken, but chicken too much. Chicken too much. So, Imanandi Boneme, we don't only build in our village, we build everywhere. So we go out, live comfortably. Like you come to Lagos, you see some our people will build even house more than the Yoruba people or Hausa people. And people will be asking why. But they still go village and build even better one in our village. So we build everywhere we are.
Of course, our business. The only thing I still encourage my people. All
Yes.
In as much as we build and sell, at the same time we know where we come from. This is business that we're doing. You understand? So one thing in cause of
but this estate, I'm telling you, I fall in love with this estate. Look at very simple and neat. And Obono estate on Abia, you would not even like to visit there, but you will not tell your friend.
Yeah.
You will just from your mind, you tell your friend that, bah, don't have to forget go man, you claim this state one.
Yes. As you can see, people are in their houses, even as we are working now.
No noise.
No noise.
Onye ọbụla goro ụlọ ebe a ya a ga-etre nne ya na ọbụrụ ọzụkwa street people.
Once you don't run generator, your life will never be the same.
Okay, there is no generator here.
No generator.
So 24 hours light is guaranteed in this estate.
24 hours, no generator. No generator.
This is another thing you people did here that is not unbearable. So then where is it? Okay, where is the light coming from? Is it is it in Nigeria? So in Nigeria, some people have 24 hours light too. Don't say that Nigeria don't have light too. Nigeria have light. It depends where you are staying.
24 hours.
Look at the beautiful houses everywhere. I can't deny it. So we are just walking in a street of one estate here with our boss.
This one, I sold this one to a Yoruba person.
Okay, you built this one?
Yeah.
This is your house?
See my number.
Wow.
You know my number?
Yeah.
See the camera. See the camera I put there.
Okay. Yes.
If you go close now, you see yourself.
Yes, you're monitoring. So as we're here now, we are seeing you. I don't know about my brother is you. So you can't get there. Wow.
It's gone.
That's But this one was very good. Now you need to say or if that's architect, when they say
I have my boss. My boss introduced me to good architects.
Okay.
Like I said, I have the best boss on earth.
But I was supposed that for foul. I
have many bosses, but I was referring.
The
topic we have now is about real estate.
Yes, no real estate.
So you started asking how I got to this point. So I'm yet to get there.
Last time, because we are very close with Igbo Mazob. Not only that, no guy, no your friend.
Yeah.
So it's like and one time a few years ago, even give you a car.
Yeah. Sure.
If I'm not mistaken.
No, you got it right. You can see our estate gardeners. Everywhere is fine.
If any name for Kwana cool well. Broke free. So if you want to live in an environment this way, you pay for it. Daddy, what did you buy for me? You pay for it. If you do not bring biscuit to your children or your child for 1 week, or you don't pay school fees, papi can field. This field is it particular people or
no.
If you just stay here, you come and
everybody that lives here. Everybody ever.
Nah, estate Amaka.
Right, all the facilities. Imagine how heavy the rain was. So also I feel that
yes, all the walkways
everywhere
is dry up.
Right.
I know Lagos say man this is Safari Garden Lekki in Afia. On Afia.
And everyone will see of O.
Okay.
Where all the documents. That's why myself I don't invest where there is no CFO.
Okay.
Because the reason is that most times we see people complaining, crying.
Like
yes, they demolish their houses, this and that. the truth is that sometimes people don't do the due diligence they are meant to. You understand?
Yes.
Before
After that will one issue, they will hang on to
now.
demolish it.
Yes. So I encourage people to, before you invest, engage a lawyer. If you don't know how to do the due diligence,
Yes.
pay lawyer his services. You understand? That's like a lawyer.
Ekele ọrụ eke. O nwere ndị ọfọ ọrụ nke a. Emesara gị uche ga-adị a. So ebe niile a bụrụ onwere gbasasị gọọmenti a ga-abịa sị gị na ha.
No. Many green areas.
Nenu.
At night, sometimes here now from post wherever. At night we come out there with our family.
I didn't know that is in the same state you are staying in. Ebe a maka.
I'm very low.
Mba here ọ dịzị nke ọnwụ gafete ebe ahụ.
Very bad.
Very mad.
Imagine having your children coming under the tree sometimes.
So her name was that village feeling. Even when they are in city.
So this is the main entrance.
With a double lane.
Double lane.
You know, Nenuka Bodo Chiko, Nenuka Estate Chiko. Design.
People with their cars parked. A lot of people are working from home.
Patakwa, I don't know na Iro Estate ke gba fence gba chi iru ara afia.
No. People are on this fence will look security because security man can always be here and see what is happening the other side. Besides, we have CCTV cameras
everywhere.
I just showed you one now.
Yes.
This is another one. I have it in different phones. This is another one.
So okay, that way we just the house we just thought.
Then I'm showing you another one now again. I'm refreshing.
So but even apart from the dwarf, it even make the estate beautiful because you cannot admire the house from far.
Of course.
And you cannot see the beauty of the houses.
That's it.
So that's one thing I love about Abreva people.
Camera again.
This one from different.
Yes.
Yes.
Of my property.
No, all they also have security. So you monitor everything.
If I see anything going wrong now, I'll just use the voice. Ask, who are you?
The person will be.
Before doing itself, I'll first alert the estate security.
Yes.
They will go there and interrogate.
Wow.
Know why you are hanging there.
Yes.
But if you just want to scare the person, you just talk to the person, he will be kind of shocked.
Yes.
Many people don't know that these cameras have a sticker.
Yes. So all these houses you see is having money is monitored somewhere. So you can just say me. Obrozi no ka abuta security na no, mana obrozi nke bia no debe ba. Your estate is beautiful. And I'm going to fall in love now for pretending. I fall in love, especially the houses and design. In case we were bad, the walkways and everything. Every house face a road. Upon call everything, Sibermad, no, everything barber.
Like I said, around the Chicago water and all the land.
Okay, talk and don't trust many. That's how they do it.
This box now, like this street now, there will be no wire on this street.
So then,
this box you see here is the box that they will connect all the lands here. All the houses on this land will have their connection box here. This is the box standing here.
So there is no wire. And the wire is now underground.
Yes, now. The place is under now.
Oh wow.
It's very planned district.
So I want to find that everything is in Nigeria, depending on your capacity.
Yes,
that's why you see sometimes some elites don't even mind us because they don't feel what we feel. I don't have all of us for to go. I don't went there to ever and no, the film can have unless money but you appoint and I don't have a family. But we interrupt and see it every day.
Okay, people are already living here now. Did you see any wire on that street?
No.
No wire.
If you see now, you see that it goes underground.
Yes, from under. No wire on that street. That somebody is living there. See the car.
Yes.
Cars the other side.
Yeah.
And they have light.
Oh, wow.
4 hours. See light, man. Look at that building. 247.
So the under estate, so that estate bought the whole land first.
Yes, man.
The name we call Sapphire Garden Estate. Yeah. Okay. This is real estate, not some. In our place, we are trying to would I say like we want to learn to sell like estates, sell lands. But in our side, you see some people claim to be an estate, like they want to build estate, but nothing will be like that.
Like I told you, this water you're seeing here is because of the third phase they are building down there. You can see that red gate there.
Okay.
They are building the phase 3 of the estate.
Okay, the
Where
phase
we
of the
are
estate,
now
yes.
is phase 2.
Okay.
The entrance is phase 1.
Yeah.
So it's because they are building
Phase
a lot
3.
of construction is going on there. You can see the heavy duty trucks.
Yes,
You can see the excavator. You can see the payloader. You can see the grader.
Yes, yes.
So that's why you're seeing this water, because they block where the water is meant to go out.
If not, you cannot see this water.
Other streets you just walk down. Did you see water?
No. So one thing about our people, okay, is abịago na ime steeti by if agbana Iran or about 5 years or date for no development.
The problem is that most of our people that are into real estate, they didn't serve anybody to know what is real estate.
Okay.
Just watch and see what we are going to do in Asaba.
Okay, this one Odiche.
Just watch and see.
Odiche in a
what we are
bright.
going to do in Asaba.
Okay.
Many people jumped into the business.
Yeah.
You want her boy there. You
Mm.
pay her oga. You
Yes.
serve her oga.
Yeah.
Don't just say for hey, you don't make it. Don't just.
If an amazing just sell the empty lands without any plan of building. What is it estate or selling land? That's buy and selling lands. Okay, in conclusion, the advice to the people who are watching you.
Well, this keys I'm holding here is one of the evidences of
Yes.
If this person that bought these houses can still allow me to have access to these houses, I didn't know him from anywhere. The day I met him was the day I handed them over this house. That was on the 4th of May. That was the day I met him for the first time, while he had already concluded the transaction before coming down to Nigeria.
Wow.
You understand? So I thank him once again. He knows himself. I don't want to mention it here again.
Yeah.
He knows himself. God bless you for the trust.
Okay.
Coming back to what you asked about trust, it's still about
trust. So there must be trust.
Yes. So if you can give me this money and I delivered, if you see somebody that wants to give me half of what he gave me, you say give him, because I gave him more than that and he delivered.
Yes.
So now when things in a crash, I complain. Stop looking for who they do you. Nobody they do you. I don't believe in my uncle. I don't believe in Wunyedi Mamam. I don't believe in no Nyabatobi. One new business move on, or did I allowed?
Yes.
And if you don't dial, move.
Yes.
You got to go. Sometimes you will feel that you've arrived. But in Bidar,
you what you
move. You got to go. So I thank God that my business crashed.
Okay, is another stone that lifts you.
Of course. Thank God for that crash of yesterday.
Yeah.
Because I would have been there.
Yeah.
I saw but I like where I am today. Wow. Simple. So no matter how bad it is,
very important.
I've been to so many countries and I'm proud. Any country in battle, I don't pay for hotel.
Why?
Any country in battle, I don't pay for hotel.
So can you feel how?
Before Nabata,
Hey!
Before Nabata, any country, a place like Austria today,
hey!
Germany, Belgium now for the Mendi Anambra, and options of would I like to stay here or would you like to stay here? You got to go. So if I was in the past, some broke out of love, anything get but they just love you. People will love you when you are doing things right. And if you put on Facebook, go up on people will hardly trust you. If in a current